movement of Rebello has given a boost to the movement against 39A. This movement against 39A must continue, but I somehow feel that hunger strike may not be the correct approach towards this movement. It has to be people's movement. It should not be on the shoulder of one person. So I only hope that this hunger strike is somehow come to an end and the people take over the movement.
What has been your purpose of the visit today?
I just came to see, just heard that he was hospitalized and then he got back. Came to see.
If you go to see in the last few days, talk about Unity Mall, then we talk about Mirabag, then
Yeah, all over Goa, people are in mode to revolt. That is more because the government's approach has been not very trustworthy. There is too much of trust deficit with whatever the government does. And 39A, of course, it's a matter where there is no trust.
As a legal practitioner and an experienced advocate, how do you see all this, especially when you talk about Goa?
See, the courts are doing their job, but democracy is always best defended on the streets.
What are your views on 39A? Do you find it
39A had to go long back. 39A is draconian, 39A is arbitrary. 39A permits the Town and Country Planning Department to override Goa. It had to go. And I feel that Rebello's enough movement has provided the fodder for people to come out. For too long a time, people were not coming out.
So in the meantime, so many land has been converted. What do you think the best method would be? Should the courts intervene in this?
See, there is always limitation on the court's intervention, and the court is seized of the matter. When it comes to court, it takes some time. So, like 17.2 has been almost made non-operational by the court. So that way, it may take some time.
The reason I ask is because the kind of yesterday's crowd that you've seen all over Goa meeting in Panjim. Should the court look at the view this?
The court will not take into account the crowds and act. The court has its own ways of acting. May not be dependent on the crowds on the street.
Is it possible for the government to scrap 39A entirely?
The government, the legislature will have to repeal 39A. But meantime, the government can show its intention in case they wish to, that they wish to do away with it. The government can always announce that in the next assembly session we will repeal it.
One of the demands of the MLA was that 39A should be scrapped from Sant Andre. Is that possible part?
That it may, why Sant Andre? It is a all Goa issue. Look at what is happening in Padney. So it has to be scrapped for the entire Goa. Nobody, see, there is a law must never be arbitrary and in the hands of one or two persons. Law has to be a rational law, applicable throughout.
Thank you.